What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about Xpeng, what it's been doing since the last time I covered it. We're going to go over all of that, talk about the outlook and what needs to happen for us to start reversing here. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and if you haven't already, join my free Discord, link in the description below, and let's get started right on this video. So Xpeng, the last time I covered this stock, it's been, I think, 3 days, maybe 3 days. But either way, we were paying attention to this green line right here. So this green line is at 45.84. Now, I was talking about that this was a support. It needed to hold, and if we didn't hold this level, then we probably have some downside ahead of us. And well, as you can already see by the chart, what Xpeng's been doing, it fell through that, then it fell through the next support. So the second support I had drawn out was this 43.56 area. Now this was an important one. This is the one that I didn't want us getting below. The reason why is because it hit the support area over here multiple times. Look how many times we bounced here, guys. I mean, we bounced here at least 4 to 5 times, and then over here it acted as a resistance and we got rejected. So this was a key level that we stayed near and stayed above. Now when we got below it, that's when the problems happened. That's when we saw the rejection. The sellers came in and pushed us down. Same scenario over here, guys. The exact same thing is happening. We are getting that rejection, or we got it yesterday, and then we just had that continuation today. So yesterday, what happened? We fell right through that support early in the morning, and in the evening, the afternoon part of the day, we tried to push up and got up to it, but we didn't push through. So it was looking still on the iffy side, but manageable. So it was looking that we potentially could pass through this today, but it was on the fence. Right, today absolutely destroyed all of that hope. So literally today we went from what, 43, we gapped down, opened up at $42. That's where we opened up today, and then after that we just fell. We actually got underneath 40.29. We hit, what was that? We hit 39.79, a little, or 39.85. Either way, we hit the $39 area. Now, luckily, guys, buyers came in. We pushed price up, and then we were able to close above that 40.29. Now, definitely, guys, I'm telling you on this video right now, you don't want it breaking 40.29 and holding. Yes, it broke today, but it came right back up. Now, this has acted as a strong support before. Look how many times it bounced over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that this 40.29 area, buyers show up, but it can still break through. Today it broke through, but buyers came in, which is what you needed. We closed above it. So your main focus tomorrow, if you're watching Xpeng, is staying and holding above 40.29. So let me get my tool out. So even if we get a little bit of a pullback in the morning, so the morning pullback, give it 30 minutes. I call it a 30-minute shakeout. Just watch how it's doing. Don't make a decision until after that 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is over, then you're probably going to see the direction. Now I do that with all my stocks. I let it do the 30-minute shakeout. So here it's what, 9:30 to 10 a.m. And this is the reason why. So this is the first 30 minutes, and then what happened? We bounced, recovered, and tried to push up for the rest of the day. So that 30-minute shakeout, just keep that in mind. We have it literally every morning, so I would not worry for that first 30 minutes. I mean, yes, if the trend after that's changing, then maybe you need to consider something. But if it's just that first 30 minutes, then don't worry. So let me get that tool back out. Main focus, staying above 40.29. Once we stay above that, then we can have the talks of it pushing back up to this 43 area. Now, if we get up to that area, then we definitely need to blast right through it. We do not need to get rejected like we did before. Notice we got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we got rejected here. We do not need to have any of that action. We need to blast right through that level and then confirm it. Now, once Xpeng gets above that, we still are not out of the water by any means. I'm not going to feel comfortable with Xpeng until it can get back above 48.05 and close above it. So we still have a long road ahead of us, but we needed to keep it one step at a time. So your first step is getting above 43.56. Getting above that, great, awesome. Is it holding? Even better. That's what you want to see. And then getting back above 45.88, getting back in this range right here. And then ultimately, like I mentioned earlier, getting above 48.06 and holding above 48.06. So we still have a road ahead of us, but we have a plan now. We're formulating a plan so we know the areas we need to watch out for. But your main focus tomorrow for Friday, I know it's a Friday, but still, 40.29. That's the area you want it to stay above. Now keep in mind, NEO sold off today. If I can find it, NEO sold off. We had Tesla sell off. Li Auto sold off as well. The overall market's been taking a beating lately, but don't worry. I do believe that this is just a dip buy, at least on tech and the S&P 500. Xpeng, I do believe that we are going to get a relief rally sometime soon. So hopefully this was the bottom. If it was, great. And these are the levels you need to look out for. Either way, guys, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate all of the support. Thank you for being here, and I will see you all in the next video.